ऐसे सीधे पुश करके यहाँ से बनाया था ना हमने, ऐसे। वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस। उधर घूम जाओ उस तरफ, बैक बैक बैक, हाँ गो देयर, यस, परफेक्ट परफेक्ट, वेरी नाइस। So Stita, what have you done now?
So polylactic acid for
For
temple
hollowness.
Regeneration.
This is the best filler for temple. I told you why.
Yes.
I don't use hyaluronic acid here.
Yes.
Because of several reasons.
Yes, sir.
One reason being complication also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Another reason being I want a regenerative filler there. Okay, you carry on. Do the other side. So this was a video where I'm not doing. I mean, the participants are working in the temple area to restore the hollowness of temple with polylactic filler, which is again a regenerative filler. And once again, the idea of me making a lot of these videos is for my own comfort, because when I get a phone call of people asking me about the workshop, they don't even believe that it can be a hands-on workshop, and I have to tell them like many times, and I ask them to have a look at videos and such. So this time I've decided I'll sort of make it very, very, very clear what is the meaning of hands-on, what are the different types of fillers that we are using, what is the work that we are doing. So if a patient comes to you for getting fillers done or getting their face fixed, so you just cannot tell them that I only use hyaluronic acid or I only know this kind of a technique, or you cannot be like scared to do temple, because with needles and using hyaluronic acid, temple is a dangerous area. You can breach a vessel. If I'll go back and show you, there are so many vessels there, so many vessels are there, and it's a dangerous area. You can have a lot of complications with needle. That is why we have stopped using needle for doing fillers. Okay, using of needles with fillers is a primitive way of working on the face. Now we use cannula, right technique, right way, right products. I would never use hyaluronic acid on this case, and I'll just show you how the blood vessels look. I mean, how close you can go with the needle to breach a vessel, and your filler can sort of breach the vessel. If I'll just show you, look at so we filled this part, and you see the amount of different vessels that are there. We'll be massaging this area and restoring it, doing little lift here as well. So Aditya is now going to fill thoda sa? Nice. Already, yes? Okay. So we are going to fill the hollowness with polylactic again. I'm very comfortable. There is no stress. There cannot be any breach of vessel. There cannot be anything that can go wrong with the way we are doing it, with the techniques that we are using it. Alright guys, I'll be coming back live soon again. So if you have any interest or any questions to ask me, do ask me in the next video. I'll be more than happy to give you a detailed overview of what is happening here. Have a good day guys. Have a good day.